No, it's it helps people out all over the country, you know. So
you're doing this right here. Some guy who did the same thing probably gonna watch.
I think it's okay. I think I got a little bit of room back in here. So. Okay, so American water heater, and the owner tried to do some work on it, and it's under warranty, so they sent him parts, but they sent him the ultra low NOx burner assembly, which is beautiful. It's nice, it's clean, but they didn't send him the attachment. They didn't send him the main tube attachment for it, and then the pilot tube isn't crimped at the top. So there's probably a little kit inside there for that, but who wants to do their own crimping? So this should probably come ready to go, but it showed up like this, and so that's not going to be compatible with what's going on here. So I think what we're going to do initially is just change the circuit board out and see if we can get it lit.
Cool, man. I like your way you work. If I can't do it, man, you don't have to worry about it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Which kind of sucks on your end if you think about it, because this is your valuable time, you know.
Yeah, well, there's very few of them that I can't fix, so
yeah.
I'm not terribly worried about that. Okay, so the pilot light is lit.
If you don't mind, can I see it? I mean, I just want to learn with you, man.
Oh, the pilot light? Yeah. So
is it really hard to see?
Kinda. That's why. There you go.
That's okay. I don't want to be in the way. It's all right.
6, yeah. Okay. So I changed the cover. We got the same 7 flash going on, which I transported over from the old job. So if we can get this, pilot light to hold, which it probably won't. Yeah. All right. We'll do the reset procedure. Come on, baby. Why aren't you kicking in? Man, I tell you, I gotta dump this board. All right, so we're gonna shut it down. Well, it shut itself down.
I saw it on the road, so.
Yeah. I hear you.
I've never heard that noise before.
What's that? This? Well, it's just a different clicker that's on there.
John.
It's running.
Jesus, John. You are the man.
Yeah.
You are the man.
Well, it's hard to say what was originally wrong with it.
Yeah, because all the stuff I've probably done with it.
Yeah, exactly. Just because it's been, you know, who knows?
So you were just want to say it was that thing broken back there. If we want to just see what you saw, right?
The circuit board?
Itself, yeah, it was broken.
Yeah, well, you got a new valve on there, which is nice. You know, they did send you a new valve, and we were able to repurpose that.
Yeah.
Cool. We just took that. Which one is it? Is it this one? No. Oh no, this is the one I brought. I don't know where this one came from. Oh, maybe this is it. Yeah, this is it. I think that's the one that you put on.
Yeah, the new one. Yep.
It takes that sensor.
Yep.
Right?
Underneath. Yep.
Yeah, and then that sensor only comes off that burner assembly.
Yep.
So you were locked in a loop and you couldn't put your old cover. I call it a cover, but it's like a circuit board, essentially.
Yeah, yeah.
You couldn't put that back on because the little prong had pried itself loose, the connector. And once they pop out, it's like a triangular thing that drops inside there. Once it comes out, you're screwed. So it's hard to say, you know, what originally caused it to shut down.
Some guys on YouTube said outside burner sometimes a lot of wind can possibly make a burner blow out.
Mm-hmm.
So usually the door's on there though, so I took off the door and all that crap.
Yeah. When it rains, put the door on.
Yeah.
I mean, you got pretty good coverage here over the top. So basically, reuse the burner assembly. The original burner assembly, it's got a brand new valve in that the owner installed. Because of the burner assembly they sent him, it took the chamber sensor, and his original cover was broken, or circuit board, so I got a functioning cover circuit board on here, and pilot light came up right away and we turned it on and now it's on. So I think we're good. We're running. Anyway, thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and have a great day.